we were very disappointed the way our National Executive Board called off the strike of teachers on Monday. It is important for us to know that the respect to the Constitution of the Union is very important. It is the National Governing Council that gives the Secretary General the mandate to call for a strike, and it is the same organ that gives him the mandate to call off the strike. It was very disappointing that our head office has decided to disregard the Constitution of the Union by calling off the strike without the mandate from the National Governing Council. And we want to say that on this, the National Governing Council, the secretaries and all the women nominees are not part of that calling off of the strike. They are on their own, and teachers are not happy. They are disappointed because that is the time the strike had just begun. Therefore, as the rest of the teachers of the rest of the secretaries all over Nyanza and many other areas are saying, we in Kakamega, we are in total support because we were not involved as the strike was called off. And therefore, teachers are waiting to hear from the Secretary General exactly why he called off the strike and what was given to the teachers during that time. Because we were out for a purpose and we have not been given the reason as to why we called off the strike. Well, in Kakamega, I as the Executive Secretary, we have 3 other officials who are arrested over this kind of during the strike, but the case is still with the police. We shall be able to listen to what the law says and we shall be able to end it. That has not deterred us from the cause for which we are meant for. Hatujui chochote chenye walisema. We cannot be able to say that we know what was agreed upon because they have not given us officially. So we are waiting. The only thing we know is that tomorrow on 5th, they will be in court. After that, we don't know. We don't know what will transpire after that. I want to call upon all the leaders of the union that we should not be able to give information as if the union has broken apart. It is a matter of us coming together and forging forward, and where there are issues, let us be able to correct as leaders. That is why we are leaders.
Maybe your message to teachers?
I want to ask the teachers of Kakamega County and the rest of this country that a mistake has been made, but let us not disown the union. We want to call upon the teachers to remain in the union because the union will protect us both at the ground and even at the national level. The mistakes made by the head office cannot make the union collapse. That is our house. Let us remain in it. Bad people will come and go, but the institution shall remain, and we must protect it in all ways.